David brushes his teeth after or before he eats his breakfast, which you will choose after and before.
After.
Okay, very good. How about Sunmi watches TV?
Before.
Before she does her homework. Okay. Tim gets dressed after or before he combs
his
hair. Okay. David eats breakfast after or before he brushes his teeth. Before or after?
Before.
David eats breakfast. He brushes his teeth.
After.
Okay. Sunmay does her homework after she watches TV.
No, before.
Okay, very good. Tim combs his hair
After. Before.
before he gets dressed. Okay, you read.
I'm Baby and my brother's name is Tim. I get up at 6:45. Tim gets up at 7:00. I take
A shower
a shower
at 7:10.
7:10. But Tim doesn't.
He
He takes shower at
7:25.
I play.